Hi guys.
Welcome to this week's video. I'm Laura.
I'm Carlos.
And this is our journey on Pico Island. But we are not on Pico Island. We are back in Canada.
We've been back 2 weeks now, just getting our bearings, right? We've been away for almost 5 months. And now we're back, and it's I actually got sick when I first arrived for about a week or so. But we're better now, or I'm better.
You're
never got.
I
You were
never
always
got
good.
sick.
You were always good. But we're here, and we're actually here in Bronte. It's an area of Oakville. As you can see right behind us, it's an overcast day, but it's nice to get out.
We're in Ontario, just so those of you who don't know where,
All right.
where it is.
yeah, Ontario, Canada. Before we left, we filmed a lot, even though we were really busy. It was really crazy, actually. The last 5 months getting the house ready, the regular followers probably been watching. We were really tired. And the joke was that we came to Canada for a holiday.
For vacation.
To rest, believe it or not. It's usually the opposite. But yeah, it's nice to visit where, a lot of our families here. And one of the things we filmed was actually on April 25th, which is a very popular day. Very emotional day back in Portugal, which is a Freedom Day. The revolution took place. They had the coup, and dictatorship of Salazar ended. So that's what the video is about. I'm not going to get into it now because it's in the video.
And it was good timing because this weekend is Victoria Day, long weekend. We are very excited to spend time with our family. Barbecues.
Yeah, that's famous. Canada's famous for barbecues. We hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to take you back a couple of weeks. And again, thanks for all your support. Where we have some content that we're working on. It's not easy doing what we're doing. It's a lot harder than it looks.
Yeah, if you guys want to support us, because you know how much work it takes to do these videos, buy us a coffee.
All right, guys, check out the video.
Ciao.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Carlos, and this is our journey on Pico Island. So today is a special video. It's extra special because it's for all of us that enjoy freedom, which is not everywhere here on the planet, on our planet. And I think if we all have that advantage and are living in a society that's free, I think we're very lucky. And today is a special day because today is April 25th, and it actually marks 50 years of the revolution here in Portugal. 25 de Abril, 1974, they had the revolution. Prior to that, freedom, not so much. It was the dictatorship of Salazar. Throughout Europe, there was other dictatorships. And so that's a very important day, I would say, maybe second most important. There's the Day of Portugal, Portugal Day, Dia de Portugal, June 10th, I believe. And these are all important days, and I think like back in Canada, we celebrate Remembrance Day, actually throughout the world, especially in Europe and North America. It's very important to stop and just acknowledge the freedom we have today and those that died. A lot of people die, for us to have this freedom. Prior to the April 25th, 1974, a lot of Portuguese were fighting, guerrilla warfare in their colonies. A lot of them were dying. And so I always remember when we went to Canada just before that, January 13, I think, 1974. The dictatorship was still in place. People were still fighting. We would get, if that continued, we would get drafted when we were 16, I believe, 2 years. So everyone knew this. So when you got an opportunity, some people to leave, go to Canada or the States, we took it. And that was my dad's case. He had a very good life here. He loved being here. He was a photographer. My mom was a hairdresser. They had a good business, good life, a lot of family, happiness, all that. Had their kids, but they wanted to protect their kids. They had an opportunity to go to Canada, and my uncle Manuel in Toronto got us over there. And we've been in Canada ever since. We will come back every couple of years. Now I spend half the time here with Laura, which is my better half. She's not here today. She's doing editing for another video. But I just thought it was, we've been doing a lot of videos. We're trying to bank some of these videos for future when we get back to Canada in the next 3 or 4 months. When we're there, we can do them. And today was a beautiful day here. We're in Lages right now, but the whole island of Pico, I'm pretty sure all of the Azores. It's a beautiful day to celebrate 25 de Abril, April 25th, celebrate freedom. And I actually took a walk up to our government building here in Lages. I went to the cemetery, just walked around, very quiet. It's in the morning. Pico Mountain is right here. So I just felt very lucky that I can be here in this place, you know, like a lot of other people, you know, and a lot of expats are living here now in the Azores, in Portugal in general. A lot of the big celebrations take place in Lisbon. Parades, there's the, you know, the Navy, the Army, government, a lot of parades throughout. 50 years have gone by. Nowhere's perfect. Portugal's not a perfect country, but it's a lot of improvement, and there's more to come, I'm hoping. And but bottom line today is to celebrate freedom wherever you are. A lot of places do not have that. The world's upside down, chaotic, and this is, you know, a lot of us do stop and think of that. You know, it's not just us. I feel very fortunate that I don't have fear. I don't lock my doors. I don't, you know, I can just walk anywhere I want, either here or in Canada. And I think that's, we can't, you know, that's so important because, again, we got involved in our daily life, you know, playing and working and all this, and we forget. The flower here, for those that don't know, because, you know, some of you might not know a lot about the Azores or Portugal, is a carnation. And I think this big symbol was, if you guys saw, it was a gun with a carnation. I remember my dad talking about it over the years. You know, just, yeah, I mean, who knows? It was a lot of people get emotional. Obviously, I'm more in the, I'm emotional but grateful, but people that fought, you know, in the army, that I know some of them still alive, and just like World War II, it doesn't matter. I mean, it's war, and it's very emotional for them, and I just want to thank them for all this. So I was just going to say a little bit in Portuguese. So that's what this video is about, just me doing that. You're going to see some images around here where I'm at today. I just wanted to make this video basically about the special day. Pessoal, só estou a falar, quis fazer esse vídeo só para agradecer a pessoas que antes do 25 de Abril de 1974 foram à guerra para a gente ter liberdade aqui em Portugal, como fizeram também outras partes de outras guerras. É muito importante lembrar que a gente, no nosso dia a dia, estão, you know, a fazer o nosso trabalho e a brincar e a ter festas. Às vezes a gente esquece que é muito importante que a gente temos liberdade. Se estás a morar no Canadá, ou aqui, ou na América, ou na Europa, temos liberdade. Há muitos lugares à roda do mundo que não têm. E a gente um dia disse, agora acordei aqui nas lajes do Pico de manhã, nos Açores, o dia lindo, estás a ver atrás de mim, está ali o Pico, e eu disse, ok, vou fazer um vídeo só por causa do 25 de Abril, que é 50 anos, só para falar um pouco. Há muitas pessoas que estão no canal que não sabem muito a história de Portugal, e disse que eram duas datas importantes, é essa e o dia de Portugal, dia de junho 10, que a gente que somos portugueses são importantes. E também quando estou no Canadá, Remembrance Day é um dia também para, não é só no Canadá, também na Europa, o dia das guerras passadas, a Segunda Guerra e a Primeira Guerra. A gente temos que parar e ver e pensar que pessoas morreram. Fui aqui ao cemitério aqui das Lajes, isso é quando antes de meu pai ir para Portugal, em janeiro de 1974, antes do 25 de Abril, estava a gente a morrer. E lembro de ser miúdo, meu pai depois falava disso, e temos uma oportunidade de sair. Meu pai tinha medo da gente ir para a tropa e isso, e outros pessoal fizeram igual. Fomos, mas nunca, sempre voltámos, cada 2 anos voltaram, e agora estou aqui metade do ano. Meu pai já morreu, minha mãe ainda vive, meus irmãos estão em Canadá, mas eu sei que a gente, os que se lembram, tem que mesmo pensar que a gente tem muita sorte de estar aqui em lugares como os Açores, ou Portugal, ou na Europa, ou no Canadá, lugares que, e na América, lugares que a gente tem liberdade, não tem medo. Isso é que não é perfeito, não há lugar que é perfeito, mas tem muitos lugares agora que é muito mau. Essas guerras, então a pensar dessas pessoas que não têm o que a gente tem. Só por isso aqui quis fazer esse vídeo, mostrar a paz que a gente tem aqui. Esse vídeo é só por causa do 25 de Abril e para a liberdade que a gente tem. Sem liberdade é muito triste. Só queria dizer isso. Obrigado para o canal. Sei que não falo sempre muito português, mas não sei porque é, mas hoje o meu português, e estou até a olhar para mim na máquina, e está assim muito bem, penso eu. Vocês podem marcar, dizer se está bom ou se está mau, mas pessoal português e canadianos, o pessoal à roda que também tem a sua liberdade, e vamos celebrar esses dias que é muito importante viver sem pensar ou ter medo de ir à rua. E aqui, dos meus passos que dei hoje, foi para vir para aqui para a Marina das Lajes, do Pico, Açores, a Roda do Mar, fomos Santa Catarina, que é um lugar antigo ali, que tem ali para ver o Pico descoberto. Fui ao convento, fui até à igreja de São Francisco, já há tempos que não tinha. Mas isso é liberdade, dar aí só para ver até o mar, está muito lindo. Apetece até mergulhar e mais que estava a andar à roda de espaço, mais queria fazer esse vídeo. So, I'm just telling my Portuguese friends and family, they don't speak English, that exactly what I said in English, and I just want to leave you now in the video. I'm going to sign out, but appreciate your liking, subscribing, sharing, the usual, and just take a moment and think wherever you are, the liberty, especially I guess today if you're Portuguese, or you are from Portuguese descent, think about the people that came before you and fought. Some of them you don't know them, but they were there fighting just like other wars, and now let's just be with them, and it's an emotional time, but just enjoy the freedom. If you're here in Portugal, in the Azores, or wherever you are, just be grateful for that. I am. Laura is. We are. We'll see you on the next video. Feel free to comment. I asked actually some of the Portuguese friends that when I spoke Portuguese today, I felt like it was flowing very well, and I don't know why. I just felt just so happy to have peace here, and taking a walk down to the water, looking at the mountain, and just not having any fear whatsoever. And I just felt grateful that when I started speaking Portuguese, it was just flowing like I was an expert, which I'm not. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys, and thanks for all your support, and enjoy April 25th, 50 years of Liberdade aqui em Portugal. Paz, peace.